Alright, if you're dreaming of turquoise water, soft white sand, and pure luxury, then you need to add the Maldives to your bucket list. This place is basically paradise on Earth. But with over 100 resorts scattered across its islands, how do you pick the best? Let me take you through 5 of the most stunning, jaw-dropping resorts in the Maldives that are guaranteed to blow your mind. First up, Sonava Jani. Imagine waking up in a dreamy water villa, complete with your own private slide that drops straight into the lagoon. Yeah, that's real. The Overwater bungalows have retractable roofs, so you can literally sleep under the stars. The service here? Next level. And don't even get me started on their Overwater cinema. It's a vibe you'll remember forever. Now, if you want pure romance, you have to check out Barros Maldives. This boutique resort is all about privacy and elegance. Think palm-fringed villas, personalized experiences, and dining by candlelight right on the sand. The house reef is incredible for snorkeling, so you can swim with tropical fish just steps from your room. It's intimate, peaceful, and picture-perfect. Coming in hot at number 3, Gili Lankan Fushi. This place has no shoes, no news vibes, which means you can kick back, disconnect, and just breathe. The villas are massive, with open-air living spaces and hammocks hanging right over the water. Every guest gets a personal butler, called a Mr. Friday, making you feel like royalty. And if you're into sustainability, Gili is a leader in eco-friendly luxury. Craving something ultra-modern? Head to Jowali Maldives. It's all about art and design here, with jaw-dropping architecture and creative touches everywhere you look. Each villa feels like a private sanctuary, with infinity pools, lush gardens, and curated art pieces. The spa is unreal, and the food, out of this world. Jowali is for those who want to indulge in the finer things. Last but not least, Cheval Blanc Randheli. This is where celebrities and royalty escape to. The villas are sleek, stylish, and come with their own infinity pools and butlers. There's even a private island you can book if you're feeling extra fancy. The attention to detail is insane, and every moment feels like a dream. So, whether you're celebrating something special or just want to treat yourself, these 5 resorts are the definition of luxury wanderlust.